Here's for sale a 1991 Corvette built by Ron Mayfield. This thing supports dual chutes, wheelie bars. It's got a fab 9-inch rear end into it. It's got a 34.5-inch tall tire on a 16/16 double beadlock rim. Removable doors, removable front end, removable hood, all Zeus fastened on. Here, when we go inside here, I'll show you what the inside looks like. Everything stays inside. The only thing this car is missing is the engine and the transmission. All the gauges all stay, all the air shifter, all the delay boxes, nitrous bottles, everything's in the car ready to go. All the EGTs, all the sensors. There's even a box of all the nuts and bolts from taking the engine out for all the motor plates and all that stuff that come with the car. These are the double beadlock rims. These are AFCO shocks on here with a fab 9-inch in it with a 10-inch ring gear on a strange center section. Adjustable wicker. Driveshaft headers, box of nuts and bolts, even the headset, the walkie-talkies for the car are included in the sale. Comes with the nitrous bottle in the car and one other bottle. All the coil ignition box, all the two-steps, everything's in there and comes with it. There's the EGT stuff. Magna Fuel 500 pump with a 5-gallon plastic cell in the front. So pretty much this thing is ready to rock and roll. All you need to do is just put your motor and your trans in. It's ready to go. I also have an engine and trans I could supply you with. It was set up with a big block Chevy with a turbo 400 into it. The car's been 7.0s.